One way to save room on your iPad is to automatically back up your photos to Google Photos. To do this, open up Self-Service, search for Google, then scroll down and tap Google Photos to install. Once Google Photos is installed, you'll launch the app. You will get a series of pop-ups. You want to, yes, allow access to your photo. I don't need Photos to send me notifications, so don't allow, and leave off those notifications. It is automatically set to backup and sync at the top, and you'll notice that you are in which account you're in. And it will automatically start backing up all of those photos into your Google Drive. To check your settings, tap the 3 lines in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Now tap the cog and tap Backup and Sync. Your photos will now sync automatically, and you don't have to worry about losing any of your files and save space on your iPad.